called me. So it was about the news of conman. The conman, he was really the who is the conman? Can you understand this? The conman, the person who is verbose and able to cheated people very easily. So the news was this: that Pastor Bajinder Singh, who has his own NGOs and church in Punjab, and he sexual assaulted 4 ladies. The allegation was that he assaulted 4 ladies, and court gave him a imprisonment for till his uh, life behind the bar. So I'm really shocked how the people who trap the innocent people in their own web to to cheat them and play their feelings. So when he want, he talked to the court and permission that he want. He gave a lame excuses that I need please mercy on him, just because he was celebrity as well as he has young children and sick wife. Just because of this excuses, he want less imprisonment from the court, but court denied because he is fraud. I must say, please don't don't trust conmans as well self announced god.
Self-proclaimed God.
Huh, god.
Okay, that's
That's
it.
it.
Okay.
Yes. अब
So
तो नहीं मैंने देख के बोला पढ़
yes,
के
yes,
बोला.
yes, yes, yes. So what were the errors, Neeral? What errors Kirti ma'am made? Can we share the
I
feedback?
can, yeah, sure. I feel like there were some grammatical errors I can definitely figure out. Yes.
Like, for example,
I'm not really sure because,
so
like,
she mentioned this excuses, this excuses,
These
these
excuses.
excuses.
These
Okay.
excuses.
Then you also said a lame excuses. He gave a lame excuses, not a. A means single.
Single one.
So he gave lame excuses.
Excuses.
Okay. Self-proclaimed Godman.
Hmm.
Okay.
Self-declared godman.
Self-declared, proclaimed, whatever.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Self-claimed. Okay. Then he is a celebrity, you mentioned, right?
Yes.
So you use something wrong there with regard to your grammatical range. Okay.
Maybe.
So what we need to focus on, the way we are speaking, we need to emphasize slightly where we are heading wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Like you
Right.
mentioned, there was a news. Okay. You also said children's. Children's is new
No.
word.
No. I know the children. No. Never say children's.
You have, it is recorded. The session is
Okay.
recorded.
Just send me this one
Yeah.
because I would
So
like to know because
you mistakenly
may,
mentioned children's because
maybe.
I wrote that down immediately.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah. So Rona, what kind of funny visual layouts you are trying? Okay. Now, Shivam, you are next. It was well, undoubtedly, because you tried to use lot many words. You tried to use phrases like behind the bars. So that is something which I really appreciate. You are improving significantly because you are trying to incorporate words like verbose. That is a new word for you. You only learned yesterday, right? So that's good. But the apt utilization of the words is equally important. So, like when you mentioned that he is verbose, it wasn't needed there. Okay, so we can say that he is a gift of gab. Okay, वो बातों का धनी है. बातों से he is actually making people fall prey of his trap. You mentioned web, trap. People fall prey of his trap. Prey mane PREY, shikar. Okay, Shivam, you are next.
So there is a big news continuously broadcasting on television in our country. So the news is about the Work Board Amendment Bill 2025. So first uh, we should know the meaning of waqf. So the waqf term is an Arabic term which means an endowment by Muslim individual or institution for religious, educational or charitable purposes. So it typically the waqf typically involves land, buildings and other assets which are then managed by a board, a group of people. So the board is called Waqf board. So once a property is in a Waqf, so once a property is
Under
uh,
the possession of Wakaf, right?
and once a property is declared as Waqf,
Okay.
it cannot be sold, transferred and inherited. It
Ownership of work.
it remains permanently dedicated to the charitable purposes. So why is there a need for amending this work board? Because there are some kind of mismanagement and corruption, and also illegal encroachment and land acquisition, lack of development and utilization, and even they are most of the cases are going on the illegal disputes, illegal possession. So that's why there are so many disputes. So for amendment, these all the things, this our central government have proposed a bill in in the parliament, uh, which is first proposed in the Lok Sabha. So in the Lok Sabha, this bill has passed, and the provision and this bill the provisions of these bills are like uh, proper management, uh, at least inclusion of non-Muslim members. So in the work board, non-Muslim members, at least two non-Muslim members will be included, so that the management could be transparent. And the other provisions is work board must have registered its all the property within the 6 months after commencement of the law. So and one more important provision is about the protection of women's inheritance laws. So the Waqf, when declare a property as work property, so it cannot denied the inheritance of the possession of women on that property. So these are the major changes would take place, and I think it will be most beneficial for the transparency and decrease the corruption, because the top management is involved many times in the corruption of and misusing the work board rules and regulations for their own benefits. So that was very necessary, and central government has taken a good step according to me. That's all.
Shivam deserves a round of applause.
Thank
Shivam,
you, ma'am.
very nice, very nice. The way you were
Thank.
speaking earlier, you tried your level best to incorporate lot many words. The lexical
Yes.
resources he utilized, these are not normal lexical resources. So that's one of the significant improvements that I have noticed. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
as far as few concerns are there, I would like to specify very clearly. As you know, I'm quite straightforward with things, and I really believe in the improvement of the student. So
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
a positive feedback. I would state the things in a positive way, of course, but there are errors. Okay, and to err is human, as we know. To err is human, so that's pretty okay.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
mentioned uh, television. It's television. So you have MTI, you have pronunciation errors. So television. You mentioned institution, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Institution.
ma'am.
Then purposes. Okay. Then managed. Not manage, manage. The sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Managed. Then you
Okay.
said some kind of corruption, and you were talking about variety. Then you will say some kinds. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because head you used in plural, so there has to be
Yes.
kinds. Okay, you utilized
Okay.
words like corruption, encroachment, acquisition, property acquisition, land acquisition. These are good words, undoubtedly. But you pronounce development in an odd manner. So it's not
Okay.
development, it's development. If you really want
Okay.
to sound advanced, you can say
Okay.
development, not development.
Okay.
Everybody, it goes to everybody. Development. Okay. Then you stated so many dispute. Many is already plural, right? It goes for plural.
Yes, ma'am.
So many
Disputes. Disputes.
disputes. And was
Okay.
proposed. You mentioned it is proposed. It was proposed by, let's say, Lok Sabha. Was. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it was proposed in Lok Sabha and now it is going to, let's say, Rajya Sabha, whatever you have stated. Okay. Then
Okay.
provisions. Vision,
Yes,
inclusion,
ma'am.
pronunciation. I am
Yes,
trying
ma'am.
to
The major,
sound, I am,
yeah,
yeah,
major thing I should work on my pronunciation at most.
pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am.
Not sheation,
Pronunciation.
it's seation. Okay, so
Okay.
I have typed down few words for your reference, all the words which I have stated, so I was typing them down. You can note, you can make a note of it, and then you can, of course, find out the right pronunciation and practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Neeral, you are next.
Ma'am, I want to say one thing.
Yeah,
Shivam always use important
yes,
two different words.
yeah.
That
We need to correct, Shivam.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
please find out the meaning of important. Okay, to say this. Okay, important नहीं बोलना है, important बोलना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so please find out the meaning so that you get the clarity you're not supposed to say. Okay, Neeral,
Yes, ma'am.
you are next.
Yes, so hello everyone. Today I'll be covering a devastating earthquake news that struck Thailand recently. Well, in a tragic turn of events, Thailand was rocked by a powerful earthquake, sending shock waves throughout the region, leaving devastation in its wake. The earthquake was struck yesterday on 2nd April 2025, which was measured, I think, around 7.2 on a Richter scale, uh, causing widespread panic and destruction everywhere in the country. The epicenter was reported near one of the most culturally known rich heritage area, vibrant tourism industry area over there. Well, in just a blink of eye, towering buildings trembled like leaves in a storm, roads were cracked open, and the tranquil like streets of Thailand will just turn into a scene of chaos. I would say that many were injured as I was reading the news, and the number of deaths it's still on is rising as
Many are still stuck in the rubble of the buildings.
Ma'am, yes, I was actually
Yeah,
about to say
yeah.
the word will. That many were injured and and the number of deaths is still rising as the rescue workers are searching through the rubble. Uh, the emergency team, doctors, volunteers are working every day and night to help those in need. Hospitals are full, and the government have declared a state of emergency to speed up the relief efforts. This situation is something that a nation is mourning, and it's heartbreaking at its best. I would say this devastation have left pain and deep sorrow in hearts of many, as family has lost their loved ones, homes have been destroyed, businesses have been ruined, and even I would say that it is truly heartbreaking to see such a beautiful and lively country suffer such a terrible event. But this tragedy is a stronger reminder that nature is unpredictable, that we must be prepared. Seeing the destruction is painful, but it is also inspiring to witness the courage of the rescuers and the kindness of strangers helping each other. I would like to quote that tougher times don't last, but tough people do. As Thailand's strength and unity will help it recover. With global support and determination with its people, Thailand will rise above like this again. And it's like a tree that bends but does not break. The country will rebuild itself and become even stronger. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Neha. Very nice.
Thank you.
So you tried utilizing lot many words instead of saying it was sad. You used, terrible. Okay, used disheartening. We can also say it is a miserable situation. Miserable. Okay. Then you could have utilized skyscrapers. The first thing that comes to the mind when we imagine Bangkok, it is skyscrapers. Okay. So those skyscrapers got converted into rubbles in a fraction of seconds. Okay, or in the blink of an eye. She already mentioned in the blink of an eye, or in a jiffy. Okay, so skyscrapers was one thing. Then you could have said there's a very famous phrase that time sets everything right. That means time heals everything. Okay, so hopefully, we can say that Bangkok will be on the mend very soon. It will recover, it will repair itself from the loss that it has faced. Okay? So, time sets everything right. This is a very common phrase. We can use it. Whenever we are consoling somebody, he or she is upset, so you can say, time sab theek kar dega. Time sets everything right. Okay? Alright. Ronak, you are next.
I'm sorry to say, I have one topic of the described city.
Okay, go ahead.
They-
Randomly speak. Yeah, no worries.
uh,
Hmm.
I will describe beautiful city that's name is Nainital. I have visited many cities in my life, but I am talking about Nainital. This is very beautiful hill station. There are a range of mountains, a grove of trees. There was neat and clean roads, and in the evening, the mall road is vibrant. Near the mall road, a very big lake. Morning time view is a picturesque.
Picturesque.
Picturesque. Picturesque.
Hmm.
In the evening, lights are so pretty view in Mall Road. There were steep roads. Morning time air is fresh and cool. I feel very fresh morning in mountain. In sunrise view is unforgettable.
Hmm.
A flock of birds are fly above in the sky. I enjoyed street food on Mall Road and shopping
Hmm.
in the hotel offered a warm sense of hospitality.
Hmm.
I am highly elevated travel Nainital. Think that's it.
Very nice, Ronak. Very nice. How was it, guys? We know
It's good,
it's good.
but she's reading.
Yeah, you tried and you utilized lot many expressions, idiomatic expressions. Very nice. Warm sense of hospitality. You used word like picturesque. Okay. Cool breeze. You could have said that you one can experience cool breeze. You used, compound words. You used flock of
Please.
birds. Collective noun you used compound nouns, which is very good. Okay, amazing, very nice. One thing I would like you to be corrected with, that is it is mall. है ना? Mall नहीं बोल के mall. Oh,
Mall Road.
okay, mall road. Okay, otherwise you tried to incorporate lot many things, new words, whatever I guided you on. You have tried your level best to incorporate. But picturesque is the pronunciation. Okay? Picturesque.
Said
Okay, no worries, no worries. It is a
picturesque.
tricky word, picturesque. Okay? All right. Very nice, amazing.